You landed on Do It on a Dime. Today we are making cleaning easy. Dollar Tree has some all new finds and brand new dupes I can't wait to share. Let's jump into it. First up at Dollar Tree, never overlook the Brillo brand. I'm gonna get to the OxiClean knockoff in a second, just hold tight. But first I wanna point out the Dawn Power Wash knockoff, this Brillo Basics dish spray. Not only does this spray out in a beautiful foam, it's great for cleaning sinks, but my friends, you take that into your bathroom, especially if you have a bad back. This works really well in bathtubs. Take Dollar Tree mops and it makes scrubbing your walls of your showers and bathtub so much easier. Dare I say it, actually a little fun. And when it comes to cleaning your laundry and you want something color safe, but that's going to help take out stains, the Brillo brand OxiClean knockoff, the first way to use it is in your washing machine. It comes with this little spoon and you just put one capful inside the bottom of your drum. And I have found this to work really well with my towels. Especially because I like to have mine in lighter colors. I just run this through a normal cycle with a little bit of detergent and it helps keep them nice, bright, and white. I was really impressed with this product. You also can put this in any type of pet cleaner or wet vac. Again, this is going to work similar to OxiClean. I'm just going to put a single capful inside 1 gallon. It does a really great job of cleaning my carpets and I can't tell the difference from the expensive version. Another amazing 10 out of 10 Brillo product are these Brillo Basics scouring pads. These are amazing if you have any type of burned or caked on grease at the bottom of your pans. These have a soap inside and they scour the back and all you have to do is rinse with warm water. The before and after is so awesome. We use this so much, even Owen knows about it.
The Brillo Basics brand is awesome. It's really great inside of your pot and pans. And also if you put a little baking soda on this, it cleans a lot of things. Okay, he's on his way. He knows. Just trust Owen.
The Brillo Basic pads are great with a little warm water and baking soda. It's especially great on stovetops. It's glass and it doesn't scratch. I love this product.
You're right, Owen. You guys, all I have to do is ask my kid. Yes, these are absolutely awesome. Come here.
Another favorite product that they're bringing back in a big way in 2024 are these dish wands. This is 8 times more expensive, the Scrub Daddy version. I love how easy these are to change out. I use this all the time.
I absolutely adore this all-purpose scrubber. This is so great in kitchens. It lasts for a really long time and it's pretty to boot.
Leave a comment down below with your favorite cleaning products so far and a thumbs up if you're enjoying. It helps me bring more videos just like this right to you. And before I go here now and save you $30, just wait, okay? Make sure that on your Fabuloso bottles and your Ajax bottles, you can take those old soap tops and put them on top for easy dispensing of the liquid. Also, spray bottle nozzles fit perfectly on these. They're all a uniform size. It's one of my favorite hacks. Dollar Tree has an all-new essentials line with incredible organizers I've never seen before. These are meant for the kitchen, but they also work in any space of your home. It's giving Container Store and they're really quality. I couldn't believe they were just $1.25. These bathroom finds you cannot miss. I was so excited to find a Poopery dupe. This smells awesome. It's kind of got a light Hawaiian scent. Some of those give me a headache, but this one definitely didn't. And they also have Airwick brand. This is all over the Dollar Tree. And what I especially love are stick-on Airwick room fresheners. You get 2 for $1.25. These work really great inside of bathrooms for that light, fresh scent. You can put this in kitchens, cars, closets. The sky is the limit. And again, I love the Hawaiian scent. For a while in 23, the pink paste dupe, this multi-cleaning pink paste, was hard to find at Dollar Tree, but now they're rolling it out everywhere, so check back in store. Here they are side by side so you can see how much the savings really are. My favorite way to use this is on hard water stains on glass. All you need is a great sponge, buff, and rinse away. And when it comes to bathroom products not to be missed, Dollar Tree had Yardley London washcloths, disposable washcloths. These are like $6 a pack at other stores. They are so nice and big. I was really excited to see these here. Scoop them up because I don't think they're gonna last long. If you've got pets or just some serious odors in your house, stay tuned for these next tricks. They're some of my favorites. This is another new product. I was really jazzed to see this Glacia Carpet Deodorizer. It's 100% sustainable ingredients and it's pet friendly. And there's a spot of the carpet that Copper likes to go to the bathroom a lot. And so I decided to try this out. I was really impressed with the island scent and I just love to see this option at Dollar Tree. Another amazing find at Dollar Tree you don't want to pass up is the Moisture Eliminator. These can go in garages and closets, and in my opinion, they work really well. I stick these in all of my closets, and I've got to know in the comments down below, do you have a spot of your home that you're reconfiguring or you're organizing this year? Let me know what you're working on. I feel like the most common places are kitchens and closets, but I would like to hear where you're making progress. Next up, I want to talk all about the cleaning essentials broom section. And if you didn't know, a bonus find in 2024, do not pass up the window cleaner in the blue bottle. Did you know you can use window cleaner on upholstery? I use this on my outdoor patios. I use this for the inside of my automobiles. This stuff is great. Always test in an inconspicuous area first, but in my personal experience, I've been doing this for over 9 months and I've never had a problem. I spray on and I let sit for a minute or two. Oftentimes, I can also take out the pads in the bottom of my car. I can give this a nice solid spray. And one of my favorite hacks is to grab a Dollar Tree scrub brush. You can find this in the bathroom section, and that does a really great job of getting out those set-in stains. The before and after is totally awesome. And in that essentials section, you can grab a broom handle and one of the bases. You can use a microfiber rag on the bottom of this because of its Velcro side, and it works amazing for cleaning your windows. And remember, all of the essentials broom handles, the bases, it's all interchangeable. So really you just need one broomstick and you can do all of these different interchangeable options. This has such great pressure on your windows, both outside and inside. The silicone brooms are a must if you have pets. It does such a great job with pet hair, and it really glides well over tile and hardwood floors. Also, keep your eyes peeled for the Essentials brand sticky Velcro mop pads. You can actually put this on a Swiffer if you have one. And I told you we wanted to save like 30 bucks, right? So this costs $16.99 for 2. Over the course of this video, you're gonna be saving so much and have the same cleaning power. And you may remember from previous videos, this peppermint sage all-purpose cleaner. This was one of those that was selling out in every store, but at all the Dollar Trees I've been to recently, they are back and in a big way. This stuff smells so good, and for me, it actually makes it fun to clean. It's great on wood, granite, and glass. And definitely let me know in the comments down below what your New Year's resolution is or your word of the year. That word that you want to live by in 2024, mine is abundance. It helps me to be grateful for what I already have, including the little things. I want to offer you a word of encouragement about your house. Remember, with anything you're cleaning, a done something is so much better than a perfect nothing. I'm sending you all of my love. If nobody has told you today, you are enough. I'll catch you soon.
We do use sponges. You're like rocking this out. This is probably like the truest version of like what I actually use.